Some sets of student notes that accompany the Google Slide presentation have diagrams that need to be manipulated. These diagrams have been converted into drawings within the Google Doc. To edit these diagrams, all you have to do is click them and select Edit. In this particular example, we need to show the direction of the applied force and force of friction acting on the cart. To do this, I'm going to insert an arrow to show the direction of the applied force and a second arrow to show the direction of the force of friction. I want to label my forces, so I will also insert text boxes to label the applied force as well as the force of friction. When I have finished manipulating the drawing, I hit Save and Close, and all the changes that I've made now appear in my student notes. If I needed to go back and edit any part of my manipulation, I could do that and then save those changes that I've made. In other sets of student notes, you may be asked to create a drawing within those notes. To do that, you go to Insert, then Drawing, and then select New. In this set of notes, I need to create an example of a Punnett square. So I'm going to create a square, and then just using shortcuts on my keyboard, I'm going to create 3 copies of that square. So to create what a Punnett square looks like. I could then go on and label where I would put the genotype of the parents and offspring on a Punnett square and click Save and Close. Just like with pre-existing diagrams in a set of student notes, you can go back and edit if needed. And I hope this short video helps you better use drawings within Google Docs and in the student notes that accompany Google Slide presentations.